page in this app, wasn't there? Yeah, there was. Let's make a new component called homework.js. Go ahead and make some homework.css here too. Why not? Homework.js. Back in app.js, let's make a new route to that. Route path equals / homework. Component equals homework, which we'll have to import, but it's not really a component yet. Let's make a link to it, nav link to / homework. It says homework. Let's go to homework.js. Let's make it a component real quick. This is going to be a stateless functional component. So let's just import React from React. We'll go ahead and import / homework.css. Const homework equals arrow function. Export default homework. Let's return some JSX. So I can go back in here and import it. Import homework from homework. All right. Homework.css. Go. A little bit of CSS for you. Need our homework to look nice. And now, your turn. You've seen a couple of examples of how to route to new pages and fetch data from an API. Your assignment, should you choose to accept it, and you should, is to add some more routes to the API party and fetch data from your favorite APIs. The API you choose is up to you, but be sure to get some data and try to display it in a visually pleasing way. In case you don't have a favorite API, here are some suggestions. Google Maps, very easy to use. The Poke API, make your own Pokédex. Very easy to use. Open Weather Map. Pretty easy to use. Free weather API. Spotify. Not as simple as it used to be, but you may still be able to make it work. If you can't, not that big a deal. Look for another easy one or something. There are plenty of APIs out there. Be creative. People always have fun with this one because you can do kind of whatever the heck you want. Just get some data from an API. Some of them will require you to sign up for an API key. That's okay. Go ahead and do it. See if you can make that work. Oftentimes, you'll just pass the API key as part of the URL, like we did on NASA. You just say $API key equals something. Not a big deal. See if you can figure it out. And make something groovy. Add homework. If you want to do more with the NASA thing too, you can do that. But just see what you can come up with.